introduce myself. My name is Rahma from class 12 Kejut. Here I will present my activities during practical fieldwork. I did practical fieldwork at Daya Cipta Mandiri Komputer. History of the company establishment. Information technology is currently developing rapidly. The majority of daily life activities are related to information technology, from children to parents from all walks of life. These are as a result of the increasingly embedded globalization in our lives, both in the social sector and in the commercial business sector. Saying this problem, business in the field of information technology, especially computers, is very promising. On this basis, we started a computer business engaged in sales, service of laptop, PC, and assemblies. Starting on the 11th of February 2014, I opened a computer shop. Initially, I named it ANN's Computer, which was located at Jalan Veteran number 88 Tasikmalaya. Then from the 11th of February 2014 to 11th February 2016, I changed the name of the shop to name Tiara Computer, which is located on Jalan Mangkubumi. On the 12th of February 2016, we continue and inaugurated the shop again with new management. I named the shop DCM Computer, which is located at Jalan Cilembang number 99 Tasikmalaya. And on the 1st of September, DCM moved to Jalan Letkol RE Jailani number 18 Cilembang, Cihideng, Tasikmalaya. Company vision and mission. Vision: the creation of Faktayanal School graduates who have a good work ethic, discipline, and skill in accordance with the demands of the business and industrial world, making Daya Cipta Mandiri Komputer a center for industrial work practices and information for internship students in Tasikmalaya. Forming a forum for procuring student participation in Tasikmalaya as a forum for sharing experience and information between procuring students. Have a complete and modern practical tools for internship participation. Recruitment of skilled workers from TKJ Faktayanal School for placement in the world of business and industry. Mission: creating internship students who have multi-skills that suit the participation factor and the needs of the world of business and industry. Perfecting student knowledge but in terms of information and skill learned from Faktayanal School as a place to develop student talents and interests, helping students to gain skills as preparation for the future. Establish this of brotherhood and friendship between internship students from various regions and share school education information. Company activities: sales of new and second-hand computers, second-hand laptop sales, networking maintenance, sales of computer accessories, computer, laptop, and desktop PC service. The aim of Fieldwork Practices (PKL) is to provide direct work experience to students so that they can apply the knowledge and skill they have learned at school. PKL also aims to develop students into professional staff who are disciplined and responsible. Here are some of the objectives of street vendors: instill a high work ethic, training skill and accuracy, training leadership skill, train social and communication skill, help students understand work procedure and technical regulation in the world of work, helping students develop career instinct, help students reach a career field, helping students adapt to the work environment. PKL is a mandatory activity for Faktayanal High School SMK students. On the first day, the street vendors made introduction, direction from supervisor from the company, and handed for students from school teacher to the industrial world. The first week I entered PKL, I studied basic hardware material. In this basic hardware material, I started started learning first assembly first and then learned about computer component, hardware component, software component, and what they include. They learn about the types and capabilities of RAM, types of hard disk and their capacities, types of motherboard and their types of processor generation and types of processor socket, and learn about various of specification. After learning basic hardware and assembly, I learned to create a bootable Windows flash disk first. After the flash disk was finished booting, I continue with the window installation. In this window installation, I learned how to install Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and Windows 11. After the Windows installation is complete, continue with the installation of application such as the three mandatory application, standard application and editing application. Then after the application installation is complete, continue with standard application and editing activities. The standard application that must be activated is Microsoft Office, and the editing application that must be activated are Adobe Photoshop and CorelDRAW. After understanding installation, the next material is learning to share folders. Folder sharing or folder sharing is the activity of sharing folder or files publicly or private on computer connected to a network. After learning folder sharing, continue with learning MikroTik. MikroTik is an operating system and hardware used to manage computer network. The experience I gained while I was doing practical field work at Daya Cipta Mandiri Computer increased my know about computer new network. I know more about hardware and software. I would like to experience my gratitude to the company and supervisor who have taught me well doing